Hey there, today what I want to do is look at keyword research, because whenever you're starting a store, the first thing you need to think about is what are you going to market. Once you've decided what you're going to market, you need to go and look if there's a demand for what you want to sell. Once you've determined that, you then need to find out what keywords people are typing in to find the product you're trying to sell, so that you can put your product in front of them, wherever they might be. So let's quickly have a look at something you can do to try and get an idea of how many keywords or how many searches are made per month for a specific keyword. Let's say, for example, you are selling band t-shirts, so let's type that in. Choose a location. I'm using a tool called keywordtool.io. You can use whatever you want. What I'll do is in the description I'm going to leave a link to a couple of tools you can go try and stick with the one that you prefer. As you can see, keywordtool.io is great for small amounts of research. The great thing about it is you can search across Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, Play Store, Instagram and Twitter. So it's a good little tool to try and use. There you go, we've got about 10 keywords we can use. If you want to get more keywords, you can always upgrade. You can download these keywords. You just click on a button here, export to your Excel document. As you can see there, you can export to a clipboard, CSV or Excel. It's not giving us search volume because we don't have a subscription. If you want to, go click on there and go buy. But this gives us a good indication of the types of keywords being typed into search engines. So you can download this and then go find another keyword tool and then type in these keywords and see what comes up. That's it for this tutorial. Please look in the description box. You'll find a couple of other options to go and look at. I'm going to do my best to find you a load of free tools, but please go look around. There's a whole lot of tools out there that you can use for free to find good keyword results. See you in the next video, where we're going to talk about SEO and actually implementing these keywords into your website. Cheers.